Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create the wallpaper using AI in this device. So you can see this wallpaper is I already created using AI. So at the bottom left tab you can see one note generated AI generated content, right? So let me show you how to create the wallpaper using AI in this device. So for this, simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper. So tap on the option create with the AI. Here you can see the option generative, and here you can see some categories you can see here. From here you can select. So here I am going to select the option night, and here you can see some categories, keywords you can see here. You can change the keyword. Now this is gray, tap on this one, you can select. So here I am going to change to cyan, and here also you can change, you can see distant mountain range, tap on this one. So here I am going to change to beach. Now here you can see eyes. So here I am going to change to clouds. Now tap on, after change the keyword, tap on the option generate. Now just wait for a few seconds. According to you our keywords, it will generate. Okay, now just wait for a few seconds to generate. Yeah, you can see the AI generated images you can see here. And also from here directly we can set to our wallpaper also. So here I am going to set this one, tap on set, tap on next, tap on done. If you go to your home screen, you can see the wallpaper is changed. So simply in this way we can create the wallpaper using AI in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.